Hey guys.
Oh gosh.
Like, let's keep
It's okay. So hey guys, this is Leyley again, and this is my cousin
Serenity.
So she doesn't live out here. She lives Texas and Houston. But I'm just here. We're in the whole time. I'm going to Texas too. I don't live in Texas. I live in Winton and Atwater.
In California.
Yeah, in California. So but I'm going to Texas too to like go visit and stuff, just to see my dad. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do here, this slime right here.
She made slime,
and it got super sticky because my cousin kept on adding lotion to it. So it got super sticky. It was like, let's go make a slime video. So what we're gonna using is
we already did it. Like, I used to help it not be sticky anymore. Guys, it was so sticky. Like, she kept on getting it on
but it's still sticky. So,
just a little bit.
Yeah. So we're gonna fix it, and then it will be it. So let's get started.
We'll make a video whenever we go to whenever we go back to Houston.
So get on your knees. So yeah, let's get started with the slime. Okay, you're gonna have to move forward because I don't have space.
I'm just gonna. Okay.
I know you guys can't see us right now, but because we're doing stuff and we have a hotel, it doesn't really show our face. Sorry.
We'll make the video whenever we go to
Yeah, we'll make the video when we go back to Texas, but right now you guys will be seeing our face. Or we could just go like this. See? That's right.
Ouch.
And wait, let me move it right there. So my cousin's right there. You can't really see her because I'm on the side, but so you guys will just see my shirt. Sorry, and then I will look at you and do that. But most of all, I'll be doing this slime. So you guys will be seeing the slime. That's it.
What if we took this container? We could make a whole bunch of slime in there.
Huh? Oh, we're making a video on YouTube. So get out our video. Okay, so this is the same, but we equal it up. Her slime got super sticky. I don't know what her slime got, but that's her slime right there. So you guys will be seeing my slime, not hers, because I'll be following her direction you guys could see because I'm in the video. So I will have a person right here. You guys won't be seeing their faces because I told you guys we're in a hotel, and at her house we could do a better one because I'm making more slime anyway. Okay, get this stuff out. Hold on, she's doing something right now. Because we were playing it and tossing it around, and it got lots of dirt in it. But
I don't know what this stuff is.
Just check it out. I think that's the Play-Doh.
No, that's not the Play-Doh. The Play-Doh was green.
But you don't know.
Yeah, guys, we added Play-Doh and it got hard. Well, I added Play-Doh and it got hard.
She added Play-Doh at me. Actually, go get this stuff.
Girl, it didn't make it that sticky anymore.
But this is this one. So, yeah. I'm going to try to make a bubble for you guys. Look at my shirt, guys. I got all slime of it.
I'm just gonna.
What?
I can't bring the whole thing.
Let me see.
Because if he comes in here.
You use this?
Yes, but go put it back.
I want to show her. Okay. Ooh. This is what we're using. The deep stuff. But I know you guys can't see this. Put it over there. He can't see over there. So, yeah.
Smells like onion.
Yeah, it smells like onions. Why does it smell like onions?
Okay, guys. So,
Hey, Hey, there's my slime.
I know.
So we will be using this. What else we're gonna be using? Let's use that.
No, we can't.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, we'll be using.
No, I threw it away.
What we're gonna use? We can't use. Oh, we can use that. That works. I have that at my house.
What?
That soap is in the bathroom.
No, we can't, because that's
That
his soap.
So that's
no, she used my soap.
Stop.
I'm just gonna get a little bit.
So yeah, it's dirty, but I don't know if it's gonna unstick this stuff. Don't be rude on the comments because that's kind of disrespectful. So don't be rude on my comments. Please don't, because that would really hurt my feelings. I won't be doing any videos for you guys. Please do not make any stuff because we don't know. We don't really play with. We do play with slime, but we don't have much ingredients because it's all in Texas right now. So sorry. This is only the stuff that we pack for the hotel. So please do not be rude. Right, cousin?
Yeah.
Battery's about to die. Okay, guys, we'll be doing this quickly because my phone is about to die. So, and I forgot my charger at my house. Clearly, I did.
Call your mom or text your mom.
Okay, this video will be ending right now. Sorry. Bye.